on then, Nutmeg. You're going to come down and get it. Come on, Nutmeg. Where's it? Birdie. See it? Oh, he's trying to get out the door. The birdie's trying to escape. Oh. I've got you another one for Christmas, a different one, so I'm glad I got them now. Might took 4 or 5 weeks to get here from China, but they're well worth it. For £1.25 or whatever they were. Yes. And they stay stuck on the floor, or you can play with them. You know, wave them about. Woohoo. Where's the birdie? Where's the birdie, Put? Where is it, Nutmeg? Where's the birdie gone? Good girl, Nutmeg. Go on then. Go on then, you get the birdie. Yes, you're going to catch it. Oh, nearly. That's it. Oh. Whoop, whoop. I hope it lasts long. Don't want it to get chewed up just yet. Oh. Whoop. Never mind what Pud's doing. She's going out the door. That's it. You got it. Oh. Ooh. Good girl, Nutmeg. I knew you'd like the birdie one. I knew you'd like the birdie. Oh. Oh, crikey. Where's it? Oh. Keep looking over there, Rat. There's nobody over there. Don't go in my box. There's nothing for you in there. That's your Christmas presents, though. Don't want you seeing them until Christmas. Whoop. Oh, is it hitting you in the face, Nutmeg? I wouldn't have that. No. Oh. Oh. Another position. Where's she gone? Where's it? Pretty girl Nutmeg, are you resting now? Has all that jumping about made you tired? Okay. Sleeping near the birdie. Sleeping near the birdie. Oh. That's rest over with. Figure out how to get up there. I put that up there to get off the floor. It's meant to be for scratching. It's going to get used as a jumping off point. Oh, that's cheating. Clever girl though. Oh. I could watch that for hours. I'll get you some treats. I'll get you some treats since you got out of the box. Some treats? Is that what you want? Want some treats? What's this? What are you doing? I thought cats were clever. You haven't learnt your lesson, have you? You're going to get stuck in there again, Pud Pud. You're going to get stuck in the box again, Pud Pud. What a twonk. Meg's just caring about the birdie. She don't care about the box. She went in. Don't see what the fuss is about. Oh, there she goes, twonky knickers. Straight back in the flipping box. And that's that. What a wally. There's the birdie, Nutmeg. Better now. Better now, Pud Pud. Was that worth it? Obviously. Oh, if you were a human and you ate like that, I'd have nothing to do, yeah. Crikey, the crunch. Now who's in the box? Who's in the box now, Pud Pud? Who's in the box? Who's in there? Oh, it's Nutmeg. Ah, you okay, Nutmeg? Was that traumatic? It's shut for a reason. You had to go in there just because Pudding did. Pair of wallies, honestly. There's nothing in there. Well, there is, but it's nothing that you're interested in now. It's nothing you can eat. That's all you need to know, normally.